Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a much needed bedroom cleaning video for you. Our room is a complete disaster. We broke our bed and I won't say how, so I had to order a brand new one from Wayfair. Ryheem will be putting that thing together and helping me tidy up our bedroom in this video, so I hope that this video can give you some extra spring cleaning motivation. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more cleaning videos, so let's get started. The first thing we're doing is getting everything off the floor so that Ryheem can break down this bed and get it out of here. If you're new to my channel, my name is Dani. I've got 4 boys and I upload cleaning and organizing content every week to my channel. I'd love to have you subscribe and join us. You'll see throughout this video that I tried helping Ryheem as much as I could, but he wouldn't let me lift a finger. So before you ask, my t-shirt that I'm wearing today says, "Clean now, whine later." That pretty much sums up my nighttime cleaning routine. I created this tee myself because one of my subscribers reached out to me and said that I should start thinking about creating merch for my channel. So, I'm starting a t-shirt line, and this is one of the few shirts I've created, had printed, and shipped to me. I am so in love with the quality, and you guys are going to love all of the tidying and mom life related designs that I've created. If you want to learn more about my shop that will be opening online soon, you can follow it on Instagram, which I will link in the description below. I think my favorite part about getting a new bed is that I had the opportunity to vacuum underneath where the old bed was.
Never up, never down, never like a theme in a song.
I don't think the camera is doing a really good job at picking up the amount of dirt that was on this wall because it was filthy. From my kids, of course. They come in my room a lot. They jump on my bed, which is probably one of the reasons why the bed broke. And they just touch the walls. They touch everything. So this wall was really nasty and it felt so good to get that layer of dirt off.
But if I fall, I will get up again.
After I wash this wall, then I'm moving on to cleaning the window.
I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been.
Now I'm just clearing everything off of our nightstand so I can give it a really good wipe down. And what I've been using in this entire video is one cleaning product. That is my cleaning vinegar spray that I found at Family Dollar for $1. It works well on furniture, on walls as you saw, windows, glass. So the next time you're in a Family Dollar, see if your local store has it and grab it because it's worth it.
Oh, what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been.
So this is our brand new bed that I ordered from Wayfair, and I am so in love with it. I love the color, I love the pattern, I really love Tufts headboards. So I found this for it to be in a king size bed. It was under $500, which I thought was a steal. So I will link that in the description box below in case you're looking for a new bed that you want to try. Shipping was pretty quick, and none of the parts arrived damaged, so I was nervous about that. This is my first time buying like really big furniture online, and my first time making a really big purchase from Wayfair, and I was happy with both experiences.
I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Not sure what I expected. To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it. You said it more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe. I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here?
I've got fresh sheets on the bed, and now we're going to change out our pillowcases.
know it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. So you are like me, you wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Slow it down.
I took down my hats in the beginning of this cleaning because we needed this wall to lean our mattress up against. So I'm just hanging them back, and I do use command hooks to hang all of my hats. I just love me some fedora hats, but I'm kind of a minimalist, just a little bit, not too extreme, so that kind of like keeps me from buying a whole bunch, even though I would love to have more.
But baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last.
Dusting the TV and dresser is the last thing I have to do before running the vacuum over everything again. I hope y'all enjoyed this bedroom cleaning and refresh. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more cleaning videos, and I will see you all in my next tidy. Bye!